In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bacon-wrapped pork chop with a surprise inside. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound sliced bacon, 6 pork chops thinly sliced, half a pound of smoked sausage, 1 pound of sauerkraut, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to place the pork chops in between a layer of clear foil, and we're going to use a kitchen hammer to flatten out. On a layer of clear foil, we're going to lay out our bacon evenly. In the center of the bacon sheet, we're going to add our pork chops. Season with the salt and the pepper. Now we're going to add our sauerkraut in the center of the pork chops. In the center of the sauerkraut, we're going to add a line of the smoked sausage. We're going to roll this up as tightly as possible. We're going to transfer this to a baking sheet and remove the clear foil. We're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Our bacon-wrapped pork chop with a surprise inside is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.